Hi guys, so in this episode I just took out the OEM air conditioning heater blower motor. Okay, so this is how the original blower motor looks like. If you look at here, there are some threads at the top here, which it's not really needed. So this thing has been bothering me, been making a lot of noise when I turn it on. So time to replace it with a new one. This is the import direct O'Reilly motor, and I'll put it in the next slide, the part number. But this thing right here is about 70 bucks at O'Reilly, and this is the OEM motor. Okay, everything, the whole motor, the design, the new motor and the old motor, the design fits snugly up here. Okay, so it's really easy to install, and it's really easy to take off. There's just 3 bolts, 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and it's a torque screw. It's a T25 torque screw. That's the Torx right there. Okay, got it from here. Okay, T25, and it goes in and goes out. So I'll show you here. If you get the import direct, black is always black is ground, orange is positive. And if you look at here, okay, you'll find 2 wires that is hooked up here. The blue with the red stripe is positive, okay, and the blue with the black stripe is negative. And so blue with black stripe goes to ground here, blue with red stripe goes to orange, which is positive. So basically what I'm going to do next here is this thing right here, okay, comes with this little clip right here. Okay, it's just a clip, and so what I need to do, this clip right here clamps over this plastic thingy right here. And so what I need to do is I need to install the clip. Okay, just open it up like that. Okay, take it over here and drop it in. Voila, and you got yourself a clip, and that is done. Pretty easy. So how did I remove this? You might ask me, how did I remove this fan? Basically, you have to remove the clip in the same fashion you put it in here. I put it in here. After that, I used to punch this in. And of course, I have to put something in between here, okay, so that this spindle here will drop off. So I have to use a punch and a pretty heavy hammer to punch this in. Okay, so that's what I have to do now. I'm gonna have to install this, and let's see, there you go, just like that. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Match up the holes, and it goes in like that. Okay, so you get the idea. If you don't know how to install this thing by this time, you ain't never gonna be able to do this job. But it's pretty easy. Just 3 bolts, 3 screws, and it goes in. Let me know what your thoughts are. Okay, have fun. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like installed. Okay, and everything looks mighty fine. I hope this is information to you. If you like this video, find it informational, please like and subscribe.